head over to this URL, and if you don't want to type all of that out, click on the course resources. There you will find the link and it will take you over to this URL. After that, fork this REPL. Once you fork the REPL, read the requirements. You have to create a BMI calculator and don't change these two lines at the top. The formula to calculate BMI is weight in kg and height squared in meters. So you have to take the weight, divide it by the height squared in meters. Write your code below this line. So pause the video and try to create a BMI calculator. I hope you have created the BMI calculator. If not, let's walk through it together. So I'm going to create a variable result inside which I will take the user's weight and then divide it by the user's height squared. Now in this case I don't need the parentheses because exponent or the square in this case is greater than division, so this will be performed first. The user will give me their weight in kg, which will be given over here, and then their height in meters, which I will square that, and then we are going to divide those two, save it inside the result, and at the end we are going to print the result. Now if we run our code and give some weight in kg, let's say 72, and then a height of 1.73 meters, which is going to 170 centimeters, and as you can see we got a BMI of approximately 24. I hope you have successfully completed this BMI calculator exercise. If not, then review the previous lessons and then come back to this one and try the exercise again.